Welcome back to Humble FS, guys. All right, been a long time that we posted in this channel, and today we are going to be starting to post back to back, and then so that you get to learn what we have been cooking all this while. All right. So currently we are in this particular trade. We are already installing. We are already in the sale in this particular market. All right. We are already in the sale in this particular market, and I posted a signal on the alert group. Okay, so that we can also make money today. All right. As you are seeing this chart now, you'll be seeing that Monsignor is an uptrend because you are seeing our market moving upside like this, right? You are seeing market moving upside, so your mind you think we are going an uptrend market, all right? But you don't know that we are going to be we are selling the market even though it looks like it's an uptrend. So in this video, I'll show you why we are selling and why you should look for this kind of setup every single time. All right. So now, before I proceed in this particular video, I want to thank you guys for being here with us all this while. Even while we are away, we are there. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, like the video, and also put a comment on the comment section below. It's very, very important. It's very important. And also, you can join our free telegram. You can join our free Telegram channel where we post trades every single time. You can join our free Telegram channel right here. This is a trade we took here. I think last 2 days for free. It is sent on this channel, and then people make money with this thing. You can join this place for free. All right, you can join that for free, and then let us make money together. All right, so that is that about that. Okay, we are going to be starting the analysis right now, and then while I was away, I got some courses, and I want to show you guys what I've got so far. All right, so guys, we got a course. We got a Bowley's Forex course. Now look at, let me show you guys so that you guys. So in this place, I have my Forex courses right here, and we have the Bowley's Forex Mastery course right here. All right, if you open that, we have all the course right about here. For those that does not believe, that want to verify if these courses are actually from the Bowley's, let us play a bit of these courses. Let us just play a bit of the courses, and then let us see how it's going to be. All right, so this is actually all right. That is the welcome video from Dapper Willis himself. And then let us open the second, which is the basic tools. Now you see here we have three videos right here. Let us play just one of them, just for 1 second or 2 seconds. This just a proof. So guys, this actually are real videos, and it's not they are all nice, and this is are the videos from Dr. Willis himself. This is the pure class, and you don't want to miss it out. So this is actually the video, and I'll give you guys, and I'll give all of you guys this video, those that watch the video to the very end. All right. So now, this is Dr. Willis Forest Mastery course. Now we have Tony IK complete course, right? This is Tony IK complete course. This is it. Now we have just about 6 videos here in Tony IK's course. Now, let us play one of them and see if it's actually Tony IK that is there. All right. So guys, right here, I didn't know that my recorder is not recording the voice from the system, so it only records the voice from my mic. That's why you're not hearing the voices or the video I'm playing, because it only captures the voice from my mic and it's not capturing the voice. All right, that is Tony IK's first class, and we have more of them right about here. Let's play one more of Tony IK called master class. All right, guys. So that is for Tony IK course. We have all of them right here, and we'll get these courses by the end of this video. All right. So the next one on the list here is DAX. If you know DAX, then you should know that he's also a pro. This is a DAX strategy. This is DAX Forex liquidity strategy. All right. This is DAX strategy. We have about 5 courses right there. Let us play one of it. Let us play liquidity. One is here is price, market structure, and the top down analysis. Let us play the first. That's Damn, that is for dark strategy. You can also get that course right here for me and at very, very, very reduced price. But before I tell you guys how much you will get from this course, also I have my both my umbrella first robot creation course. You learn how to create your robots by yourself. All right, you know we create robots in this place, so you learn how to create your robots by yourself. I already made a video down right here, so you can actually know how to make a robot, how to license your robot. This is how to license your robot, how to create a robot for indicators you want to use to trade. Maybe you have RSI, you have a simple indicators or even complex ones that you want to trade with. All right, so you can actually get this course. This my robot course, and then use it for to create a robot and work with a robot so that it can trade for you. So that is Humble first robot creation course. Uh, that is my course so far. Then we have, if you know only one choose, right? There's also a course here. We're showing you guys this is only one choose course, only one choose course, right? Only one choose course is here. Like all these things here, you get it. This is only one choose course, right? So let us play one of these courses here, and you get all these courses. Let us play one of it. Let me play this one. Any of them, you can play any of them right here. This is on my Google Drive, right? So on my Google Drive. Yes, guys. So this is that is only one choose course. You know, this guy trades the reef. Like if you want to learn how to trade the reef effectively and very very effectively, you can get this only one choose course. Is on Twitter and he is very good in the reef. Versus 75 indices, boom and crash, and all that. So you can actually get his course is right here. This is the full course, and you get it at a very reduced price. That this said, you can check him out on Twitter at only one choose. Just write only one choose on Twitter, and you get to see him on Twitter, and you can see what he's doing right about there. Now the next course on the list here is foresia.net. This is foresia.net. The course is called the course is actually called signature trade, right? So the first course that we have the market manipulation patterns and all that. If I should open this particular trade here, you are going to be seeing a lot of the videos right about in it. So this is it, guys. We have structure is everything, manipulation pattern and all that. So guys, I'm not going to play these videos because it's going to actually take your time, take our times, and that is what I don't want to do right here. So this is Foresia right here. You can get it right from me right here. And we'll have the Happy Forest Masterclass. This is the Happy Forest Masterclass. Now we have this is it, guys. This is all the courses. This is the total course of Happy Forest Masterclass, right? So you can get this course also and also use it for yourself. Now we have another one called the Golden Bridge, and this is Golden Bridge analysis. Yeah, they have about part 6. We have another part 1, part 3, and all that. So we have the Willis J, which is also here, right? And then we have the Mamba FX. Mamba FX is just a little bit, just three products. Let me just check on the starting courses. This one. Let me just check on it and see what's here. Now here we have in this place. We have the first session with basics, the advanced, then the last video. Let's take the advanced. What is there in the advanced? And in advance here we have all of these things how to Facebook. This one if you do that trade quantities can get Mamba the first course and start working with it. Alright guys, so what am I going to tell you guys? In all these things I are seeing here, I can give you guys everything here. All of these courses you are seeing here for just $20, right? That's crazy. That's just massive. And to get one of them, to get one of these courses, you're going to get it for $10. If you want to get one of these courses, you get it for $10, right? So you get it for $10, right? So now to get everything right here, to get all these courses that are seen here, I will give you guys for $20, right? And after today is gone, after it has passed 24 hours, right? This offer is gone, and then to get each of these courses, you're going to be paying $30, and everything is going to go for $50. So you don't want to miss out of any opportunity right now. So this is my welcome back bonus for you guys, because I've added extra things inside. I've added my forex boot position course. I also added only one chooks, and then added the full 20 IK course. All right, this is actually mind blowing, and you don't want to miss out of it. You don't want to miss out of this, right? So guys, let us go to our video and let us go and analyze the charts, and then see what we got right about here and how we can make money from this particular trade. Also, you can join our ally group where we send our signals right here. Right, we have our allies group here, right? So here now we're actually entering. You see that in this place we are on a sale on the boom. I told you that we are selling boom right now in the ally group. So you can join this ally group, and then let us you can also make money with us. Okay, so to join the ally group, it's $20 per month. But for right now, for this moment, I'm going to give you guys a discount, $10. Can get into the ally group for $10 right now as a welcome back bonus. Okay, now let us now go to the charts and then know what we are going to be purchasing here and why we are selling the 1000, even though the structure right now look like it's an uptrend. Okay, and let me zoom chart to the full screen. All right, now let's get started. First thing first, we are going to go into our day time frame. Day time frame. Let us see what's going on there. Now on the day time frame, if you click on the day time frame here, you see that we are on a downtrend, right? We are on a downtrend. We are on a very strong downtrend. If you clearly look at the chart here, you see that we are on a downtrend, right? So we are on a downtrend on the day time frame. And what can we see? What are we looking at in this downtrend? All right, let me if I bring my arrow ray here, I see that there's a low here. You see that there's actually a high. That is there's a candlestick here that is a bullish candlestick right here. That is our order block that we use as a zone, as a demand or a supply zone. Okay, so price might actually get up again to that zone, but at the moment we are selling. Okay, so then let me open it close here and then show you guys the reason why the sale is still valid. Now look at this particular place here. If you look here, you see that we have, let me use this. There's a zone here. Look at this. There's a level right about here that we are expecting so far. Okay, all right. But this is not what we are looking at in the daytime frame. We just want to see the total market movement on the daytime frame. And from what I see here, we are actually on a bearish candlestick, bearish market, right? Structure. So let us go down to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame to see what's going on right here. So 4 hour time frame, see that let me zoom closely. So 4 hour time frame here, we are seeing that uh zone we are looking at on the day time frame here is still ahead. It's not yet hit. But then we look at this particular point, this zone here. Look at this zone here. This zone here was a liquidity, right? That was the liquidity I was actually looking for. So that price will take it, right? So that price is going to take that liquidity for us, and that's exactly what you see that is the price just came down, came there. Let me do it for the way. Okay. All right, you see that this place is liquidity zone. That is the area is liquidity zone. What did the price do at that point? This is actually a long trade, a swing trade. Now, if you see that clearly, you see that that was a liquidity zone. So where our zone here, we are looking at this particular place as our zone, all these particular places. This is where we are looking for as for our entry, right? That's where we are looking for our entry, right? That is our point of interest right there, right? So you see that. So at this point here, we have seen that this is a zone. So why do pick here as a zone? Why do pick that? And you see that price just came up to that point and take the liquidity, formed a candlestick pattern here. Look at this pattern. This is a very strong bearish engulfing candlestick, which confirmed our entry. All right, that confirmed our entry. And that's why we don't want to care about the short term uptrend that's happening here. This is actually a short term uptrend going on here. So we don't want to care about the short term uptrend going up. We are interested in actually working with what we are seeing in the long term uh, look, which is going to be downtrend, down market structure downtrend. For us to have an uptrend, market have to break above this particular zone here and close above it. That's when we are known that we are going uptrend. But because we are on a downtrend, this is a this line is a liquidity area which price has just hit, right? Which price are just taken out, and we want it to come down from right there. Right, for us to now make it more sweet, you can go down to 1 hour time frame to now see what we are looking at. We're not going down any lower than this. So now we are on 1 hour time frame. See that formation is still valid. Yeah, it's still valid. Look at the kind of formations that are happening here. All this thing happening here is now is a series of daily candles happening right here, and also breaking out of the zone here. Okay, okay, something happening right here. All right, so let's get down to M15. Yes, so that I can see clearly, so that I can show you guys what is happening here, why this trade is valid. All right, why it's valid, and actually it's a very long set. So if you are seeing this video early enough and you take your chart and you can take enter the market. Now look at this particular place now. Look at this. This is the low that market has breaking out already. Right? You see that market are breaking out of that particular. Let me make this bigger so that I can see clearly. Market are breaking out of this low and close below it. So market came back to retest that same low. Okay. So you see that this trade is very very valid. You can enter this trade without any fear. Like you can enter it and leave it around. Just leave it. So where is your stop loss? Your SL is going to be above. Let me just make it out, make it clearly. So your actual entry should have been somewhere here. That is the entry. Then SL to be above the created structure, because here now is the structure that has been created. This is already your new structure that's created here. This is your new structure that's created here. So your SS should be above that particular place, somewhere here. Then your TCP should be going down, like it's actually a very big TP. The first TP somewhere here, and then downstairs. But in case, because we miss the actual first entry, so the next entry should be this particular break and retest. This particular break and retest. Market came down here and enter here. So at this current price, we are good to go. At this current price, the SL still remain the same. The SL remain the same. And this at the current price here, we are good to go. Okay, at the current price, we actually entering the sell and we are going down, right? We are going down. So where are the TP levels, right? We have the first TP levels over here, which is because that is a zone it can make price react, right? And the next TP is down, right? If you check clearly, you see that the next TP should be down around here, around here, because of also another zone that we're looking at right here. Okay, so this is how I analyze the market. Now guess what? This chart we're analyzing here, I got this is the information we got from the only one choose and the 20 IPS strategy. Okay, so this is actually one of their trading style. They take out the liquidity. Now, this is actually a free gift, a free course from those courses that I showed you earlier. Because actually, exactly what I did here, is actually what only one choose does, and exactly what only and also 20 IK does. Once there is a grab of liquidity, you wait for price to come back to your point of interest, and then you hit it hard. That is what we That's what will happen right here because we are already in this trade and will sell it down, right? We are going to sell it down all the way to this TP, and that is what we are expecting. Okay, so guys, watch this video clearly. Understand that the first thing we did was that we went to the high time frame to check the market direction, right? Now, then after we have checked the market direction, the next thing we did was that we scaled down to see the liquidity that we need our point of interest, right? We take our point of interest first of all to know if we are actually in a right trade or a wrong trade, and then on the lower time frame M15 we see that this particular trade here is already break the recent low and came back for a retest, and that is when we storm into the markets, and we are holding down till this particular place, this zone here, which is actually a very long peak, guys. That's going to be a very long peak, and the SCL just above right here. All right, that's the SCL. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to send this into the LI group because we need to send it to the LI group, right? So that is the chart analysis right there. Uh, so guys, you can join the LI group so that you can also get this particular trading. Every time we send trade here, you can also be part of what we are doing right here. Okay, so let's just check another pair if there's a chart we can analyze right now. Let me check on the this 25 index. All right. So let's check on the 25 index right here. I ate so I chopped top loss here. I this one is my top loss one way, right? So, but after a while, we still came and bought. So, current chart for this one, this will be the next video, right? So, because this video has gotten too long, so this is gonna be the next video. Let us stay tuned and come back. Let us analyze the 25 index in the next video. All right, guys. If you want to get our or any of our courses that we have already showed you guys, right? They are all real and they are all genuine. You can get any of them for $10, right? And then for now, for the next 24 hours, you can get all the courses for $20 and enjoy it. You learn at your own pace. Okay, that is also if someone want to learn how to create your own robots, then you can also get access and learn. There's a video for that in this particular uh, video. Okay, now see you in the next video. But then, I mean, humble yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. Peace.